Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on that BMW. It will be BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005 to 2013. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the fuel tank vent valve, okay, we'll show you where to find it. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. We'll be constantly uploading video about this car and other cars as well. Now that generation BMW guys uses actually 3 different fuse boxes, so always double check everything to make sure yours is the same. And now we'll show you where the fuel tank vent valve fuse is located. You need to open your hood and you need to access the fuse box under the hood right here. This is where your engine computer is located as well. That cover will need to be removed and we have the video on the channel, so if you need to, just feel free to check it out. After that, okay, we have that fuse box panel that consists of 5 fuses, and this one is usually inside the glove, inside the fuse box here. But we pulled it up by pressing on that notch on the side. Okay, I just pried it with a screwdriver and pulled it up. That way I can show you a little bit better. After that, in order to remove the fuses, okay, you need to go ahead. Okay, on the side there is one clip that we need to pry open. Okay, like that. And then, okay, we need to pry the fuse box, okay, up. So let me grab it now by hand. Okay, don't pull on the wires ever, because if you do, you can damage something. Now this is the 5 fuses. In order to remove and replace it, you have to remove that whole panel, even if you need to replace just one. Here on the bottom, usually you have one clip here, one over there, and one on the front side. We already got ours loose, so I can show you. Once you get those loose, you slide it towards the back. Okay, like that. After that guys, okay, right here now, the middle fuse, it's a 20 amp fuse. It's the one for the fuel tank valve. Okay, vent valve right here, this fuse. So we'll go ahead, grab a new fuse, replace it with a new one. You just push it in, okay, to go in, and you need to install your cap. It goes only one way. And make sure that you close it all the way until it clicks. Ours, I will not, because we're still making videos, so I don't want to open that thing too many times not to break it. Okay, and later you need to go ahead, install it here. Just make sure that the fuses are going in, so you don't bend anything, and push in. Don't forget to install that box actually all the way inside. In our case, it just mounts to the side right here, so after that, just make sure that you put your cover on and get it. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.